What's up, guys? Welcome back to Michigan Muscle. I'm Mike Shana. For those of you that are new to the channel, thanks for watching. Today I've got some awesome news to tell you. I'm going to be bringing a project car to the Michigan Muscle channel. And it's not just any project car. It's an American-made supercar that it's going to be one-off, completely hand-built, a lot of custom fab work. We're bringing a 2006 Ford GT to the channel. So you might ask, am I rebuilding one? Is there a salvage car coming to the channel? Nope, it's a brand new 2006 Ford GT. The chassis is actually directly from Ford, and I'm headed over to pick the car up right now. We're going to unbox it. It's coming in a crate that has been closed up since 2006. It literally came right from the Ford factory. It's been sitting ever since. We were lucky enough to get our hands on one, and we're going to be building it up. Everything's going to be custom. We're going to be doing a full wide body kit on the car as well, but we're going to get into those plans later. It's a brand new shell from Ford, still in the crate, still in the OEM factory E-coat, brand spanking new. So I am really excited to bring this to the channel. I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process of the build on custom making the suspension components, because as you know, wide body suspension components aren't readily available for a Ford GT. So we're gonna custom make everything. There's a lot of part sourcing going on here. So if you guys know anybody that has Ford GT parts or has a way to source them or get them, let me know. I'll be all hands on. That would be awesome. I would love to learn about that stuff. A lot of the parts we're getting, such as doors or other parts, like we have some doors from a rollover. We're going to try to repair taillights, headlights. This is all very new to me. Like I said, we're taking delivery of the car today. It's a project my dad and I are working on together. It'll be a lot of fun. There's a couple other guys involved with it as well that are building their own that we're going to see along with it. So there's going to be a couple GTs being built side by side, but primarily we're going to be focusing on the progress of the one car, the car my dad and I are building together. So I'm ecstatic about it. It's going to be a lot of fun. It'll be a blast to do. And the beauty of it too is we're not restoring it to an original Ford GT. The car is being basically built like a pro touring or resto mod, if you will, as where there's not really a set of rules to follow. We're not trying to put a perfect interior back in the car. I mean, if it's got a different interior in it, we're gonna custom fab a dash for it or pull a dash out of something else, because at the end of the day, the car is going to be a track car. It's not meant to be a show car. We're going to have fun with it, right? So even if it's not the Ford engine, for all of you LS boys out there, maybe we'll throw an LS in it, I don't know. But no, I'm joking. But you could do anything with it. That's the whole point of this build, is it's not meant to be just a Ford GT that you see a collector drive around. This is going to be a track car that it'll be driven on the street too. It'll be registered and titled, but there's basically no rules with it. Anything goes. Like I said, custom fabbing everything. It's going to be a lot of fun, and like I said, I'm really excited for it. I can't wait to show you guys the process of this build along the way and the progress of it too. So make sure you hit that subscribe button before we continue. Hit the like button and comment below on what mods you want to see on this GT, because like I said, anything goes. Anything. It doesn't matter what it is. If there's something unique you guys have seen on a GT, or if you have a hookup on parts, if you know a guy, if there's a guy that crashed one and has it sitting in his garage and wants to get rid of parts on it, let me know. Drop that comment below. We'll get in touch, and or DM me on Instagram too, at Michigan Muscle. But let's head over to the shop right now. We're going to pick up the car. We're going to do some unboxing of that original 2006 Ford GT crate. Let's go. All right, we just pulled up at the shop. I'm waiting for the truck to come by right now with the crate on the back. I pulled in, and my my tire's a little flat. My brand new Vossens I literally just put on yesterday. I haven't even driven 100 miles with them yet. The valve stem blew off. I don't know when, because the guys that put them on didn't train the sensors. I didn't realize that until after I got home, went to work, wasn't paying attention to it. And then I got out of the car and looked, and I thought it was just low on air. But no, I've been driving on a completely flat tire, which I don't think it de-beaded or came off the rim yet, but we got lucky. All right, here's the truck pulling in. All right, so I had to go drop my car off. In the meantime, my dad pulled the lid off of the crate. There's the exposed GT. So this is how it came in 2006 from the factory. So here it is. You can see it's all covered in this protective cushion. I'm gonna pull it off. There she is. Brand new 2006 Ford GT from Ford. Brand new frame. Never been installed. Nothing's been put on it. Brand spanking new. We're gonna use the crane and pull it out now. Take a better look. All right, what do you guys think? First GT to be completely unboxed on video from 2006, from the Ford factory. This is gonna be an insane build. Make sure to stay subscribed, check this stuff out. We're gonna pull it out of the crate right now. Like I said, we've got the crane getting hooked up, as you can see right there. We're gonna pull it out and get a better look at it. Only go up a little higher. All right, let's do a quick walk around. We got the second GT lined up next to it. This is the other guy that's building one. I'm just gonna be documenting my dad's for the most part, the one that him and I build. But this is the car. So it's still in the factory E-coat. Looks like they prime it up here, maybe where a weld was or something else from the factory. It's gonna be a fun project. Both identical cars, both 2006s. This one's test fitting a door right now, as you can see. It's gonna look good. Some fat exhaust tips in there. So there you go. There's the start of 2 awesome projects. Hopefully finish them this year. See how it goes. Alright guys, and that is how an original 2006 Ford GT comes from the Ford factory from 2006. It's been stored in that crate for 13 years now. Finally unboxed. And there it is. We got it on a makeshift dolly pretty much to walk the car around. It worked pretty well. So it should be a fun build. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment below on what you thought, and make sure you like the video. Thanks for watching.